Attorney Demetrius Evans with the TEIL firms, and this is your TEIL Legal Minute. We are in litigation in federal court, and it just has to do with things that happen in business with employees and employment practices. So it made me think that there are a couple of things that I could bring to my viewers on how to make sure that you don't wind up in federal court on any lawsuit. So a couple of things. The minimum wage posters that you get in the mail, you have to post those where people can see them. It would be really good if you have people who speak other languages that are applying to your company, that you make sure you get those that are translated into that other language. OSHA is the federal regulation that covers safety in the workplace. So you want to make sure you're looking around your workplace or where others may be to just make sure that there are safety precautions that are taken. If people are missing work, and they may miss work for a number of reasons, and you may have a policy that says you can only miss, I don't know, 20 days in a month or whatever, that'd be the whole month, but you have to make sure that you are not firing people for the wrong reasons. I mean, there are FMLA standards, federal standards, local standards. Make sure you know what those are. If people have family members that are sick, if they're pregnant, they have to be able to take off work. Depression, alcoholism may also be included. I mean, if you look at other countries, you can't fire for a number of reasons, or you might have to wait 60 days. In Denmark, you have to wait 60 days before you can actually fire. Some other ones you want to watch out for are things you can and cannot say in an interview. You can't ask people their age in an interview, right? You can't ask them if they have a spouse or if they have young children. But I also want you to know that Title VII prohibits you from discrimination in the areas of sex, national orientation, race, color, and religion. It doesn't mean that you can't talk about religion in the workplace, but you can't make someone pray if you pray in the workplace. Or if they pray, you have to have a reasonable way to deal with that situation. And you, as the employer, have to make sure that other people are not discriminating against them. Now, there are some exceptions if you're a not-for-profit and you're a religious institution. So it doesn't always apply, but as a general rule, you want to make sure that people aren't being picked on. There's also just issues that have to do with your corporate culture. I mean, what we want to do as responsible business owners is we want to make sure that people are happy, because a happy work environment presents a happy community, presents a happy world. This is what we're about. So this is TEIL Firms, Demetrius Evans with your TEIL Legal Minute. If there's anything that I can answer for you, please give me a call, 708-531-1740.